Hi, in this video we will explore how to create a reminder in Google Calendar. So Google Calendar allows you to create reminders of things that you need to get done. If you are familiar with Calendar, in the previous version these were tasks that would appear on the right hand side of your calendar, but in the newer versions they have changed it to reminders. They function pretty much the same way, and you'll notice here that you automatically have a reminder calendar when you first set up your account. So in order to create a reminder, you're just going to click on any day, and when you do that, you have the quick add for an event, or you can click right here where it says reminder, and then the pop-up box says remind me to, and maybe I need to email Johnny. And then you have the option of the date. If you clicked on a date, then that will be what pops up. You can always change that if you clicked in the wrong space. Its default is set as all day, or if you uncheck that, you can put in a specific time. So maybe you need to email Johnny at 2 o'clock. You also have the option to repeat the event if it's something that is a recurring reminder that you need to remember. So once you have configured your reminder however you want to, go ahead and click create. And then you'll notice it's like the image of the finger with a little string wrapped around it to help you remember, and it just says 2 p.m. email Johnny, and up here it lets me know that a reminder was created. So let's fast forward. It's 2 o'clock. I've emailed Johnny, and I'm the type of person where I like to make checklists just so I can cross items off. And if you want to cross this item off, you can just click on it, and it opens up the reminder, and then you have the option to delete it, you have the option to edit it, and you can mark it as done. So marking it as done is kind of like checking it off or crossing it off. So I'm going to go ahead and click mark as done. And you'll notice that the reminder jumped from the 29th over here to the 27th. Whenever you mark a reminder as done, it will show up on the day that you did it. So I'm doing this on the 27th, so it shows up that the reminder is done on the 27th. If I realize, oh, you know what, I need to go back, I need to email Johnny again, and I want to, uncheck this, uncross this off, you can just click on it, and you can check here or click here where it says mark is not done. And now it shows as being not done, and I need to do it today. The great thing about reminders is if you set up a reminder and you don't get to it, it will automatically bump it to the next day until you go through and mark it as done or delete it. And that's how you can use reminders in Google Calendar.